Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to add a video to your Shopify website. To your homepage, create a section, have a video right there, very quickly. First thing you need to do is go to youtube.com. Super simple. This is where we're going to upload our video. So go to youtube.com, log into your Gmail account, click this button here, and then go upload video. We now need to upload our video to YouTube before we can put it on our website. Once you see this page here, you're going to drag in your video into this upload section here. So I'm going to drag it right in. It's then going to start uploading. Make sure you title it to something relevant, if that's a product video or a sales video, what have you. It's going to start uploading. I recommend that you add a thumbnail because this is what people are going to see on your website as well before they actually play your video. The next thing we want to do is go over to the visibility tab here and then make sure it's set to unlisted. What this does is it means that your video is going to be viewable publicly on the web, but no one can actually search for it directly. This allows us to embed it on your Shopify store so people can view it when they look at your store, but it's not going to be showing up on your YouTube channel and it's not going to be searchable in the search results on YouTube or Google. Once you've done that, click Save. Now we're going to go into our Shopify dashboard. Let's now create the video section on our homepage. You're going to go to Online Store. You're going to click Customize. This is where we can now edit our homepage with the drag and drop builder. You're going to scroll down on the left and click Add Section. Here we're going to scroll down to the bottom and there's a section type called Video. It's now going to add this in here. You can now click Select to highlight that same section, and now we can actually add in the details of our video into the Shopify store. So here you see this video link section right here. We're now going to go back to our YouTube settings, our YouTube channel, and get the video link. So just click on the video. It's going to open up this settings page, but you can also select the video over here. This opens the video up in a new tab, and you can just copy this link, go back, delete what's currently in there, and then paste it in. It's then going to load in that video. And here, it's not going to show an image. We need to actually add the image ourselves. So if you click select image for the cover photo, then we can actually select our own thumbnail to put in there that's going to show before someone plays. See how I've just added this one in? You're going to add in your own image. You can get it designed yourself specifically. We can now change the settings here to see how it actually looks. So this button here, Show Overlay, actually puts like a grayish overlay over the top. See how it does that? So that one puts this gray overlay over the top. This makes it much easier to see text when you add text here. For example, with the heading, you can put in watch my video here, any text that you'd like, and it's now going to show up over the top of the video. You see it's much easier to read than if it doesn't have an overlay. See that? Depending on what the actual thumbnail is, makes it much easier to read. You can change the style so it's actually either a video that people click to play or it's a background to a section. See how it just plays automatically in the background? And then you can add some text over it. You can really customize this based on how you want your store to look. We're just gonna select image with a play button. And then here you can adjust the actual video height, so how tall it is. If you wanna do smaller, it's gonna make that smaller. And you can change the text size as well. And that's pretty much everything. That's how you actually add in your video to your Shopify store. And now when you go back, you can change the order and bring this all the way to the top if you'd like. And there we go. On our site, we now have a video here that we can add in and change how it looks, and it pulls straight from YouTube. That's it, guys. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn how to grow your e-commerce store, I make a lot of free content here on YouTube. Check out my other videos. I make a lot of videos on Google Ads campaigns, setting up and optimizing your e-commerce store, and it's going to be very helpful for you on your journey to becoming a successful e-com store owner. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.